So, welcome again to Military Guna TV, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Hopefully, you guys are having a good morning. And at this moment, I think Manchester United is playing, hoping that they, you know what. Anyways, let's leave that alone, guys. Please smash the like button. I would really appreciate it if you do smash the like button and also subscribe if you're here for the first time. I really want to reach 8,000k. 8K. I really want to reach 8,000 subscribers, people. So help me reach here, people. Help me reach here. I've been at like 7,000 something, almost 500 for not even 500 as yet, but for so long. But anyways, let's get straight into it. No, let's speak about one player in particular. Two players actually, Ravel Morrison and Anthony Grant. Now, I think a lot of us are not looking at how critical Anthony Grant is to the squad right now. Yes, we understand that he won't be in the USA game, but for those two other games, I believe that he will definitely be a standout player for us. And that is something that we want. We need that. We need that type of player in the team. Literally, he's our best central defensive midfielder. We haven't had other central defensive midfielder like him, possible since maybe Rudolph Austin. Possible. It's been a while. But of that ilk, a player that can give us that. Now, when you look at what we used to do using the likes of Hector, Damian Lowe, Wells, Daniel Johnson, Speedy in that position, we didn't get that active. We didn't get what we want from a natural CDM. And now we have seen him over a few games. Definitely one of the players that the fans never wanted in the squad. But when he came in, he performed and you saw exactly what he can do. So definitely, I personally believe that the addition of Anthony Grant to this squad is a very important and critical to our World Cup campaign. The qualifiers campaign, actually, yeah, it's the same thing. Is really critical, and I expect good things from him. And definitely, I just wanted to speak about it and let people know that this is a very good addition to the squad. And it's like it went over most of us' head because the initial squad that was announced, he was not in the initial squad that was announced until when JFF seems as if they made late contact and get him into the squad. But we already know that he won't be available for the first game. Now, let's get to the next player, Ravel Morrison. Now, personally, I'm going to give you my opinion first. My opinion is that Ravel Morrison is literally our best central midfielder. He's our best central midfielder. He's the best midfielder we have in the squad. The best midfielder we have in the squad. Now, we are having midfield issues. That is one of Reggae Boyz' major issues in the midfield. Now, it's surprising that to anyone that we're having major midfield issues and our most, let's say, informed midfielder at this moment, because he's more informed. Let me see. We have Speedy, Daniel Johnson. Those are two. Speedy, Daniel Johnson, and Ravel Morrison are three most informed midfielders. These are the reason why I said most informed. These guys are getting consistent game time and performing at a high level, playing at a high level. Well, maybe Speedy at the USL, but he's consistent in his playing. He's consistent. Now, Daniel Johnson, consistently, every game. He's a captain for Preston Norton, so he will play. And then now, Ravel Morrison, consistency also as well. Now, it's surprising that out of them, Ravel Morrison is the most gifted, technically gifted, most talented, and literally better midfielder out of all of them. But yet still, there's no Ravel Morrison. I am kind of disheartened about the situation that's happening regarding Ravel Morrison. I'm sure most of you guys have seen already what happened with the post. His post is literally, most of you must have seen that already. So I'm going to show you guys something, like one post with Ravel Morrison having exactly. So I wonder if you guys can see my cursor. If you guys can see my cursor, so you can see right here, he has JFF tag in his bio, and now his most recent Instagram. So there's no tag, and I'm quite sure most of you guys already know that he already unfollowed the JFF. So and you remove their tag out of his bio. We can't say it means nothing. We can't say it means nothing. Definitely, we can say that. But what confidence do we really have to say that it means nothing based off all the things that we have heard, all the things that are happening surround the player? That for me is quite worrying, because we know all the situation that is being talked up, even what the coach himself spoke about the players, or the coach himself spoke about the players in regards to what he's looking forward to and what he wants from the players, his demand of the players. And definitely it's how we speak about the players, not even Ravel alone, but how we speak about the other players. Definitely it's disheartening. It's disheartening, and it doesn't give us as fans confidence. It doesn't give us as fans confidence that there's a bright light at the tunnel, what we can do, because we're fans. And I believe that aspect of things might be overlooked. We are fans, which means that a lot of people don't realize that us as fans, we're very, very loyal. We are extremely, extremely loyal. Fans are very, very loyal people. And as you see here, Ravel Morrison, football is art. He's a magician. He's an artist. The guy's an artist. he's an artist. So definitely, people, I don't want to lament on the situation any further. Just going to close it off right here. But what I'm just highlighting and sharing this to you guys, that you guys know the situation and what is happening. Now, we know that there's issues, but I believe that these issues can be sorted. Now, it's the division, because a lot of people believe that it's the fans who are dividing the team. A lot of people believe that it is the fans who are dividing the team. It can't be the fans. It cannot be the fans who's dividing the team. We are fans. We have opinion. We can talk. Fans being short for fanatics. Fandom. We can talk. We can share our opinion. It doesn't matter where we share our opinion. Every fan has their favorite player. We can share our opinion. What's happening right now has nothing to do with the fans. It has nothing to do with the fans. That is indoor management. The fans is not around the team. The fans is not in the dressing room. There's no fan in the dressing room. Only players are in the dressing room and technical staff. That has nothing to do with fans. What we do, we look, speculate, and talk. When we get facts, we talk about facts as well. But we mostly speculate. But also what we do, we support. We support. We might disagree with a few things, but what we are sure of is that we will support 100%. We will support. So I don't want people to get this thing twisted. We support all the Reggae Boyz. It doesn't matter where you are from. We support all Reggae Boyz. But guess what? Guess what now? As fans, we have our opinions. We have our opinions, and we can share our opinions. And when the manager himself come out and make certain remarks, of course the fans will be upset if it's not with what the fans like. We have a right to be upset. If the manager says something, if the coach says something that the fans don't like, you are saying the fans should just keep quiet? No, it's a part of football. That's what we do. That's the reason why we support. We love the players. We love the team. We love the team. And if you should try, it's like when you have a child and someone is trying to take that child away from you, that protection. And when you see something wrong, as fans, we're going to talk. We're going to talk. We don't need to be politically correct. We are going to talk. But people, I won't lament on it any further. Thank you very much for watching, people. Please, guys, enjoy the rest of your days. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully, you guys have a very good day. Guys, please remember, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button as well. This has been really a good one. Military Guna TV, people. I am out.